Okay, ladies, let's jump right into this contour fajas that I have in store for you. When I tell you this thing was snatching souls, honey, it was snatching full-on lives, souls, you name it. But yes, this is how it comes in the box. And, I just took the liberty of hanging it up on my door so you guys can see it in its full entirety. So check it out. Here's a little detailing going on right there. And yes, this will be coming from Cali, Colombia. So it's going to take a little bit to get here. But don't worry, rest assured, your package will be here. Because mine's got here. So I'm okay with that. Here is the detailing going on with the clasps. It's so nice and snug. I only got it on the first one. You guys will see that in the video. You've got the crotch opening right there so you guys can be covered up. Also, look at the lining and detailing on the thigh part right here. When I say it is like stitched to perfection, honey, look at that. That looks really, really good. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an overall view of what this faja is looking like before I put it on. And this is the buttock area. So look at it. It's nice and stretchy, so you ain't got to worry about being all constricted. But we're going to get into that in just a minute. Stay tuned. Hey guys and gals, what's going on? It's your girl Shareen Nicole, and I am back with another video. Thank you for joining me. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So you're probably wondering, why is she standing there in like some jumpsuit sort of thing? So what this is, ladies, is a faja, and it's actually from Contour Fajas. I'll leave the link for their website down below. So this is a collaboration with them and me. Yay! So let's get into this. So let me tell you, first off, let's start by saying it took the strength of about 3 men to get into this thing. So what I wanted to show you guys is how I actually got it on. I did not record how I put it on because it was a struggle. But I will show you that I put stockings on first. So this will ease you into it. So I have the stockings on. You want to step into it. It does have the closed flap, and yes, I am wearing underwear, so I ain't getting all explicit in here, but it has a flap here, so it closes like this, and then of course you've got your clasp details, and I know you hear me walking around like this, so that's the only downfall. But once you put pants on, I don't think you'll hear any of that. So I did put a tank top with this garment because I didn't want to get all scratched up and stuff trying to get these hooks on. You know, you don't know if it's digging in your skin and whatnot. And yes, it is super duper tight. That tells me I've got to lose some weight. This is what the pandemic has done to me. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a turnaround. I did show you guys what it was looking like in the beginning. I'll give you a full turnaround so you guys can see how it's looking. Let me see, you know, just get yourself some beat up stockings. Now this is just to break it in for like, probably need to walk around the house maybe like 4 hours just to get used to it and get started in it. Because if you got stockings on, you got underwears on, you ain't gonna be able to pee. So the flap that's there is so that you can use the bathroom comfortably and not have to take this thing off every time you go to the bathroom. So with that being said, hold on, let me pull this down. Can you guys see this? I just wanted you to get a close-up so you can see. So it's got this really nice fabric going on back here, and it's like breathable so that I guess your butt ain't sweating in it, and also yeah, it holds the shape so it doesn't like constrict it and make it all flat and stuff like that. I am going to show you guys what it will look like with a dress on, and I'm going to show you what it will look like with some tights. So yeah, so that's what I wanted to bring you ladies today. And the cool thing about Contour Fajas is that they do measure it to your body. So for me, I believe that this is probably the best bang for your buck as far as, you know, a girdle, faja, whatever you want to call it. I think it's the best bang for your buck for the reason that, you know, if you're going to spend that $150 or you're going to spend like $200 or whatever it is that you're going to spend, or let's say you're trying to go the cheap route and spend like $40 or $30 on a faja, it makes no sense for when you get it and it doesn't fit and you can't get it on. You know what I mean? This is like custom made to fit. So they took my measurements and everything like that. So that was a blessing. And thank you, Contour Faja, for giving me this garment. Without further ado, let's get into some outfits. All right, ladies, so let's get into the first outfit that I'm gonna try on for you guys. I just have a pair of leggings. I'll leave a link below for this as well. This is from Amazon. So it's like the anti-cellulite leggings or whatever. So I thought it would be super cute to put on and show you guys what this would look like if you wanted to wear this outside with leggings or, you know, whatever. All right, guys, let's get into this outfit. So I'm just gonna put this over my head. Try not to get makeup on it, but that always happens when I try things on. All right, so we got that on. And we're gonna get into these leggings and I'm gonna show you what this is looking like. So this outfit will be a little stiff when you first put it on. Not the outfit, but the what do you call that? The faja. It will be stiff. Like when I say I put this thing on and I felt like I was walking like a duck, I probably am walking like a duck. So that might be another downfall. So just keep that in mind when you first wear it. But like I said, this is just for breaking it in around the house. You want to wear it like 2, 3, 4 hours. As long as you guys can take wearing it is what you want to do. So this is what the outfit is looking like with it on. It's pretty seamless. It seems like you can't see it. I don't know, guys. What do you think? You know, a big shirt so you don't see the hooks and eyes right here. So that's what I paired it with. I mean, if you want to be a little cute, you could probably tie it to the side and do something like that. But these leggings are fire, guys. Ooh, wait. These leggings is hot to trot. Hot to trot. Hot, hot. But yeah, let's get into the next. See the lines or anything. I think that's why these are better. I think if you had plain tights without the rouging on it, you would definitely see maybe where the faja stops. All right, ladies, let's get into outfit number 2. This outfit I got from Rainbow's One for you guys. So yeah, I thought it was cute. Nice detailing. I think, wait, did I get this from Rainbow's? I think I'm lying. I got this from Walmart. I got this from Walmart a while back, but you know, I'm always in Rainbow, so when I go to Walmart or another store, it's all like the same. But this is really cute and fuzzy and just it's warm and comfortable. So I said, all right, and it's thick. So I said, maybe we will not see the lines going on here. So we're gonna see about that. Of course, you won't be wearing like the little undershirt, or you can still wear the undershirt. Like if you're one of those that don't like to show too much cleavage. Now, as you can see the fajas coming out the bottom. So that's not ideal. But of course, if you have yourself a nice little thicky dress and it's a little bit longer, then you should be able to wear it and you should be fine. Because I don't see any ridges. I mean, do you guys see any ridges? I don't see any ridges. I'll come a little closer, but yes, it's got the waist snatched, honey. The waist is popping. Look at this silhouette. This is looking good. This is looking really good. Besides this, like I said, everything else I love. It do got the cat sitting out a little bit. I don't like that. But other than that, I love it. So yeah, like I said, if you guys want to wear the cami underneath, so yeah, boobies are not out, you can do that. Or you can just wear a bra with this and rock out. You know, just rock out. So I think it looks good. So that's a win-win. So now we know we can wear it with anti-cellulite tights. You can try it with regular tights, but I put those on. And then we know now that we can wear it with a thick sweater dress plus. And let's try some jeans. All right, y'all, we back with outfit number 3. So this sweater I had for a minute. Don't get me lying, because I don't know where I got it from, but I'm just putting it on for the sake of the video so we can see. It is winter, so wear a sweater. We're gonna put some jeans on And we're gonna see how this looks. All right, so we've got the sweater on, guys. Let me go grab the jeans. So these jeans, these came from Fashion Nova. These are a size 15. So I'll show you guys right there. And they come like this, a little ripped in the bottom. So we're gonna put these bad boys on and see what it's doing up in here. Oh my God, you can barely get your legs up with this thing on. You know, I never had such a hard time putting on clothes in my life. So like I said, very stiff. Walk around the house for a couple of hours and you should be good. Ooh, the struggle's real. Oh Lord Jesus. Ooh. Listen, y'all, I know these fit for a fact because I wore these like, I want to say 2 months ago. So don't play me, jeans. Don't play me. Okay, I got the zipper up. Oh, all right, we're in business. What are you guys thinking? Win-win for jeans? I don't see any demarcations. I don't think so. On camera, I don't see the actually imprint of the faja. I don't know. Do you guys see it? Guys, I'm not in my mirror, so I'm legit looking at my phone. That's what I record with, and that's what we're looking at. That's what I'm looking at. So when I ask you guys a question, I need answers, okay? And go ahead and hit that like button. Y'all know y'all want to like this video. I'm trying to bring y'all all these goodies. You know what I mean? So you guys know about what's up and overall. This is the faja for me. I mean, I love it. Like I said, it is contoured to your body because they do measurements and they take exact measurements. Now you can probably get it with a bra, but because my cleavage is so big, I'm not sure if that was going to work out or not. I'd rather just leave them free form and throw a bra on of my choice with the garment. I think that's the best option for me. It does have the clasps right here, like I showed in the beginning. Let me see if I can get close. So there's 3 rows, so mine is on the last one. But like I said, they're gonna measure your underarms, they're gonna measure everything all the way around your waist, they're gonna measure everything, guys. So that pretty much concludes this video, and I hope that this video was informative for you on where to get yourself a faja. So if you wanna get that waist snatched, you know what to do, baby boo. I'm saying though, it really does have you looking good in these clothes, like. I mean, if the fat was just flowing all over the place, you know, it still looked good, but it's like, pow, it's like in place, like, pow, like, everything's in place, no jiggly jangly going on. I just want to thank you guys for joining me on this video. Make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, but only if you want to join me for another video. So I'll see you guys in my next one. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have some lovely wholesale coming up. So stay tuned for that. Bye.